Don't let its size fool you. The Kia Forte may be compact, but it packs a punch in every aspect. From its sleek exterior design to its robust performance, this car is designed to impress. Whether you're navigating the bustling city streets or cruising down the open highway, the Forte is built to handle it all with ease and style. The Kia Forte is big on features and fun to drive. Its agile handling and responsive steering make it a joy to maneuver through tight city corners and busy intersections. The compact size means parking is a breeze, even in the most crowded urban areas, but don't be fooled by its small footprint. The Forte offers a surprisingly spacious interior that comfortably accommodates both driver and passengers. It's perfect for navigating city streets. The advanced safety features, including lane keeping assist and forward collision warning, provide peace of mind as you drive through traffic. The Forte's efficient fuel economy ensures that you can go further on a single tank, making it an ideal choice for daily commutes and weekend getaways alike. But it's also comfortable on the open road. The suspension system is finely tuned to absorb bumps and provide a smooth ride, whether you're on a scenic mountain road or a long stretch of highway. The quiet cabin minimizes road noise, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music or have a conversation without raising your voice. The Forte offers a choice of engines. You can select the efficient base engine, which provides excellent fuel economy and is perfect for everyday driving. For those who crave a bit more excitement, the turbocharged engine delivers a burst of power that makes acceleration effortless and driving more exhilarating. You can go for the efficient base engine. This option is designed to maximize fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. It's ideal for those who want to save on fuel costs while still enjoying a dynamic driving experience. Or choose the turbocharged engine for more power. This engine option transforms the Forte into a sporty performer with quick acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. It's perfect for those who want a bit more excitement on their daily drives or weekend adventures. Inside, the Forte is stylish and practical. The interior design is modern and thoughtfully laid out, with high-quality materials and attention to detail. The dashboard is intuitive, with all controls within easy reach, making it simple to adjust settings while keeping your eyes on the road. The seats are supportive and comfortable. Whether you're on a short trip across town or a long journey, the seats are designed to provide maximum comfort. The driver's seat is adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect driving position, and the rear seats offer ample legroom for passengers. The infotainment system is easy to use. The touchscreen display is responsive and features a user-friendly interface. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, you can easily connect your smartphone and access your favorite apps, music, and navigation. And with its affordable price tag, the Forte is a great value. It offers a range of features typically found in more expensive vehicles, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers. The Forte provides a perfect balance of quality, performance, and affordability. It's the perfect car for first-time buyers and seasoned drivers alike. Whether you're a young professional looking for a reliable daily driver, a family in need of a versatile vehicle, or an experienced driver seeking a car that offers both comfort and performance, the Kia Forte has something to offer everyone. Its blend of practicality, style, and value makes it a standout choice in the compact car segment.